Hello everyone, I'm Christopher Rogers, and this is the Amateur Fishing Project. In this video, I'm going to be joined by two guests. Now, the first is my buddy Bobby, who is a veteran of the United States Air Force. So over the course of this video, one of my goals is to recognize Bobby for his service to our country. Now, the second person coming with me is a young fella that Bobby's bringing with him that I haven't had an opportunity to meet yet. But what I've been told is this young fella is just starting to become interested in fishing. He's been practicing and learning how to cast, and this will actually be his very first fishing trip. So this video is kind of an intersection between two series that I already have on this channel, my Fishing with Veterans series and my First Time Fishing series. And in the latter series, that's where I take out people who have very little prior experience to the sport and help introduce them to it, which is, one of the main premise that I established the Amateur Fishing Project on. So it should be fun for me to get this young man out on the water and not only help him to improve his techniques, but hopefully through that process, help him to catch some of his very first fish. That's yet to be seen though. And hopefully over the course of this video, I will be able to share a few things with each one of you that will hopefully help you put a few more fish on the boat when you go fishing, especially if you're just getting started in this sport. So stay with me, because the next time you see me, I will be out at the lake, which in video editing time is going to happen that fast. All right, everyone, I'm just going to do a quick introduction here. We're out on the lake, obviously. I'm going to make this quick because I've got two guys with me who are ready to start fishing. I've got my guest Bobby and my guest Carson. We're going to recognize Bobby for his service to our country as a veteran of the United States Air Force. And Carson is a perfect candidate for the Amateur Fishing Project because he's just getting started in this sport. And I'm going to make it my goal today to help him catch some bass. So I don't want to hold these guys up any longer. We're going to put the trolling motor in the water and start fishing right here. So let's get to it. All right, so this pier right here, I want you to cast like you're casting to the end of that pier, but I don't want you to cast very far on this cast. You see that turtle head right there?
Yeah.
Hit that turtle head. That's no, this one right here, the short one, okay. The close one. I don't want you to cast very far here. You don't cast for distance.
Okay.
Perfect. That's just what I wanted. Now you want to reel constant. This is a constant reeling bait. If you don't reel constant, you're going to be down in the weeds. All right, let me see your rod for a second. All right, start off. I'd like to see you hold it like this, palm it, and then when you cast with two hands like this.
Thank you.
And reel a little bit faster. I want you to be able to feel the vibrations that bait is putting out as you reel it in.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay. All right, Carson. All right, you had this hand's right like that. I want this right here in your palm,
Okay.
with your thumb wrapped across it like that. And then cast out here.
Like this.
That's right.
Hey Carson, so what I saw when you're casting, you're just using just your arms like that, and it's causing you to kind of hold back.
Yeah.
But if you can get your rod back a little bit, you don't even have to put any force, and I know I went over that.
Yeah, so think about the bend in the rod. You want your rod to be like a whip. Okay, it's going to bend back and then it's going to come back forward again, and you have to time the release of your cast with that whip.
Do bass really hate this stuff?
I don't think they're, it's not that they hate it, it's just that what you're trying to present to the bass is something that looks edible to it, preferably something that it's accustomed to feeding on.
Yeah.
So this is a shad imitating lure, and I've never seen a shad with grass on it. All right, so when you're reeling directly where the line's directly in line with you. You want your rod out to an angle with your line out to the side, because like I said, that way when a fish hits, the rod will absorb that strike.
Okay.
Go ahead and throw out towards that boat. There you go. Good cast. Keep your rod, yeah, like that. All right, so that, like I said, if a fish hits it, that way your rod will absorb the strike. Basically, I want you reeling faster than what you're reeling. Like this. I really want to be able to put some vibration into it. Oh.
That's good.
Then see how the reel is sitting in my palm?
Yeah.
Like that. And I like to keep the line moving across one finger. It helps. It's not that important with this lure, but when you start fishing with soft plastics and you're fishing slow, you'll actually be able to feel them hit the line. You'll feel that line move on your finger, and sometimes it's just a slight little movement, and that's all you'll feel. They can be subtle like that at times. Other times they can be real aggressive, and you know, no doubt that they're there. Okay.
It was a hell of a journey.
Like that. Yep, just like that. Ah, there should be a fish up in here somewhere.
Looking to see if that's one right there, but I can't really tell.
This area looks so good.
Yeah. Oh,
You got a fish, you got a fish. Come on, Carson, swing it in, swing it in, swing it in. Yeah! You didn't know what you was going.
Yeah,
you didn't know what was going on there, did you?
I was like, why is it going up and down?
All right, go ahead and set it down.
What is that?
It's a bass,
What kind?
black bass.
Is that your first bass, Carson?
That's my first ever fish.
Oh, wow. I definitely got to get a picture.
All right, so Just set your rod down. First thing, I want you to feel this fish's teeth. They're not going to hurt you. Just you can press down on them. You see how I've got my, but you can hold them like that with your finger on the teeth. The teeth aren't going to hurt you. They're prickly,
Yeah.
but they're not going to hurt you. And grab them. All right, hold on. I'm just going to dip this fish in the water real quick.
Just so it doesn't die.
Yeah, well, all right, take hold of that fish. Grab him good. You got it? Okay, you got it.
Hold him out in front of you. Carson's very first ever fish.
Lean over the side and just set that fish into the water. Not, well, okay, well, that'll work too. Good job, man. First fish.
Way to go, Carson.
Heck yeah.
Even though he was small, he was way stronger than I expected.
Okay. If I had known you had a fish, I would have coached you through the landing there.
So as soon as I just put it like down here.
Well, you reeled it in. You don't want to reel it in all the way to the end like that. You want to keep about a rod's length of line out, and then land them over. Then when they're that size, it's okay to swing them over the side.
Yeah.
But you don't want to swing a big fish over.
Okay.
Go ahead. Good job, man.
There you go.
All right, Bobby. Watch how Master does it. There you go. Oh, there you go.
Sir. Nice little fish.
Yeah, don't try to throw into the wind. You can go throw lateral or back with it, but don't try to throw into it. That's going to be disastrous. Got him! You lost him. Oh, you got him? Oh, now you lost him. Oh.
Make sure you set that hook.
Yeah.
Can't quite reach him.
Are you still trying to go?
There we go. There we go. He might be on the board. He might be on the board.
Oh.
Nice little bass.
Nice, we all caught one today.
Yep, everybody's on the board. Pretty little fish. Thank you for that, little buddy. All right. Now do you want some help?
Yes.
Okay. Now that I've caught your fish. All right, Carson, I want you to try casting towards the base of this pier. Go ahead. There you go. That's a little better. Yep, you got him. Height, steady, just reel him steady, steady, reel. Oh, that's a nice one. No, stop reeling, Just keep tension on. Keep tension on. No, don't lift him. I couldn't get my reel in.
We'll count that one, but once you get them to the boat, keep tension on. Don't try to pick them all up. Some of them are bigger.
Okay.
Just if you give us a second, we'll either get the net or help you get it out. That was nice fish.
Yeah, that was best of the day so far.
That's another one.
We're gonna count that one for you.
Nah, don't.
Yeah, we'll count it. You just don't get a picture.
Yeah.
That's a fish right there.
There you go.
Nice. I may have one too. Oh, wait, yeah, it is a fish with grass. Look.
Double. We got a double.
Oh, how's that? Hold on a minute, Carson.
All right, I'm not touching it.
This fish here has some shoulders on it.
It's stuck with the grass.
Ugh.
Nice.
Wait till y'all see this thing here.
Wow.
Look, you got him put real nice.
Yeah.
Although you didn't even know you had a fish, did you?
No, I didn't. I mean, I knew I had a fish. And I was like, huh, is that weed?
Ooh,
Oh,
nice.
man, that's a big one.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to get pictures of both of you together.
Double for that.
I'm gonna drop this in the live well while you're getting.
Ain't no way this. We got one up. Now we can see.
Nice double.
Yeah.
The double.
Yeah, I want to compare size. Man, it's a big one.
Way to go! Heck yeah! Heck yeah!
Just very gently put him in the water.
Hold on, let me get my camera. There you go. All right, buddy. Nice, nice fish, nice fish.
Amazing.
Thank you. All right, good fish there, good fish.
The only thing that would have made that better would have been a trip. Hold up on that. I thought I was gonna land on the roof.
Pretty now.
Nice and peaceful over here. Oh, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Right there. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah.
Want to see it?
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you ain't I got you.
Oh yeah.
Man, that's a big one.
Oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put this fish back in the water. All right.
Did you put that other one back in, or is he still in the live well?
No, he's back in. Yeah. All right. Beautiful fish there.
Is that a spot there? Or just...
No, it's just a black bass. It's a Florida strain black bass. All right.
Away she goes.
Thank you for the assist. All right, we are about at the end of our video. It's been a great day. Carson, you caught your first fish today.
Yep.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So you want to come back now?
Definitely.
Okay, good. Well, here are a few amateur fishing project stickers for you. It's been my pleasure to help you do that. And I'll be looking forward to fishing with you again.
Thank
But Bobby, as I said in the beginning, one of the reasons we're here is to say thank you for your military service. This may look like an ordinary 30-ounce tumbler, but I call this a hero cup. Because to me and everyone watching this video, you and all of our other veterans are American heroes. So thank you for your service to our country.
Thank you so much, Chris. I love it. Beautiful.
And that's about all we have for this video. I hope that y'all have enjoyed watching this. If you have, please hit the like button for me, because hitting the like button is just a little something that you can do to help me continue sharing this with as many people as possible. And if you'd like to follow the Amateur Fishing Project, you can hit the subscribe button. And that way, you won't miss out on any of the videos that I have upcoming. So until I have the opportunity to share this with you again, wherever you may be, stay safe. Let's go home. No, let's go eat.
Yeah, there you go.